Andrea Simmons had it all. She was a millionaire with a loving family. You wouldn't know it from looking at her, but she also lost 2 years of her life to an ice addiction.
It was a horrendous journey. It took me to death's edge. I was using, roughly $500 a day. I, smoked everything I owned, my houses, my car.
All it took was one puff.
My mum didn't recognise me. It starts to eat you from the inside out and it destroys your organs, your neurological pathways in your brain.
Today she's clean and has been for years, and she's using her experience to warn children about the impacts of the drug. Her organisation, Australian Anti-Ice Campaign, has been holding workshops at local schools. Across the country, there's been a 30% increase in ice usage over the past 2 years. And while it's a national problem, in Townsville, more people are reaching out for help. With the help of the Rotary Club of Mundingburra, the organisation is working towards setting up a drop-in centre.
Simply because they can see that there's a real need for what AAIC do in workshops and drop-in centres.
They're now looking for locations around Townsville. Georgia Simpson, 7 News.